Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your Dailymotion Pro Plan. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open www.dailymotion.com, or you could simply go ahead and open your application. Make sure that you are logged in and simply click on the profile icon on the top right-hand side of your screen. This is where you're going to find a little upgrade to Pro section. You want to simply go ahead and select that. And when you go ahead and do so, you will have to go ahead and enter your payment details. Now, when you simply go ahead and purchase the Pro version, you can access the Pro dashboard from the Studio tab. And inside of here, it will give you in-depth analytics to understand your audience, improve performances, and you can even check engagement, traffic sources, audience retention, and many, many more. Now, inside of your channel customization, you can simply add a channel trailer if you want, and you can also monetize if you are eligible. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.